Mr. Mojo here, introducing you to the new GK Plus Keto Mojo meter. We took the world's #1 meter and made it even better. And today I'm going to introduce you to all the new features. So, number one, we threw away the auto coding key. So you no longer need to use that when you're using your ketone strips. Two, we made the setup so super simple. You just download the app, open up the meter, remove the tab on the back, and when you see the Bluetooth icon flashing at the front, you just press sync and the date and time and everything is set for you to your local area. It has Bluetooth 4.2. We have done extra work on the actual sensors, so increased accuracy and consistency between measurements. You will always know that we back our meter with a lifetime warranty and excellent customer service based here in the United States. The GK Plus meter also has an enhancement of having a light, so in low light conditions it makes it easier for you to work with your strips. It has over 1,000 records that hold on the memory, and all of this connects to our amazing app. In addition to this, we've included a hygienic strip ejector that is on the back, and your strips themselves are now packaged individually for freshness and consistency time after time after time. And with our new patented Super Sip technology, a high-speed fill reduces any kind of fill errors to almost impossible. In addition to all of the above, we've also included control solutions as standard in every single kit. With Keto Mojo, you get more than a meter. You get an amazing app that we keep updating with brand new features. In addition, there's a website that has huge amounts of information, from recipes, how-to, videos, and the latest and greatest of information in the ketogenic world.